Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we're gonna see how we can detect or recognize a text. We'll be surrounding the text box with the bounding boxes so we can see what text is actually detected. We'll be using a sample PDF file for this video. So at the end of this video we'll have text detected images and text files which will contain the detected text, sample PDF file, and here is the end result which you are seeing, and here is a text file which contains extracted text from that image. This is a text detected image from PDF. Okay, then let's get started. So now we're gonna create a file named textdetection.py, and we're gonna start importing the required libraries for this video. First I'm gonna import image from wand.image as wi, then output.pytesseract from pytesseract. You can check out my previous video for these two libraries installation and usage. Playlist link on the top right corner, or you can find it in description as well. Now I'm gonna install the OpenCV library for Python. In the terminal, type pip install OpenCV -python, enter. It might take few seconds or totally based on your internet speed. So we have installed it now. Let's import it in our project. Import CV2. So now that we have imported required libraries for this project, now we'll get the path of sample PDF file with its resolution, PDF, wi, file name, which is new folder sample.pdf, resolution should be 300. We are using wand image for getting PDF and its resolution, so we can convert it into images. Now we'll convert this PDF to image, PDF, image, PDF dot convert JPG, and we want it in JPG format, so we have passed JPG type of image. Now we're gonna count the number of pages that PDF has, so we'll get all images from PDF. I'm creating a page count variable and setting it to 1. We'll use for loop for iterating the PDF pages. For img in PDF image dot sequence to get the image one by one. Page wand image equals to img. Now we have the image in page variable. We need to save this image as img with its page sequence. Page dot save file name img plus str page count plus .jpg. Now we are going to use CV2 library to get the bounding boxes for the text inside the images. img1 cv2 .imread img plus str page count plus .jpg. Now creating an empty array named text array, and now I'm using Tesseract to get text from image. Text Tesseract dot image underscore to underscore string, and here I'm passing the img1 variable lang eng. Now adding the text to an empty array. Text array dot append text. Now I am printing it to the console using print, and I am passing text here. Now we will create text file which will contain the extracted text from image. Create a text file named text with its sequence like text1, text2 with open file name text plus page count plus .txt w, because we'll be writing the text in this file as file handle. Now before writing the text to the file, we may need to read the text from text array page wise. So we'll iterate text array using for loop for list item in text array. Now we can write the text to the file. File handle dot write list item. So now test this to check we are getting the extracted text in the file from image. Go to the terminal, type python text detection.py and hit enter. So as you can see, we have the text on console. Now we can check it to the file, and here we have text file, but some of the files were already there, so I'll just remove these files with images and rerun it. And I just realized that I have the wrong extension to the file, so I'll just make it txt. Now I'm gonna run it with python text detection.py, and here we have it, extracted text on console, and as you can see some files are added here. So I'm gonna check out the text1.txt, and yes, we have text, but we are getting only the text files here. We are not getting all pages of the text file from existing PDF. So for that we'll do the increment to the page count by 1, but before that I'm gonna again delete these files. Now page count incremented by 1 like this. Again rerun it, python text detection.py, enter, and there you go. You have the two text files with images, text1.txt, text2.txt, img1.jpg and img2.jpg. So to verify these images and text files are correct, I'll open up the same PDF file which is under the new folder and reveal in Explorer. So this is the file. I'm gonna open it now, and here you see two pages of PDF and text look like same to me. Now we need to create bounding boxes to each text or text detection. So we'll use Tesseract to get text with its coordinates. D Tesseract dot image underscore to underscore data, and here I'm passing the img1, and output underscore type should be output dot dict. Now get the array of level index and underscore boxes len d indexed level, printing and boxes to the console. Loop to detect text word by word. For I in range of n boxes, get the coordinates of each word like left, top, width and height. So I'm gonna create a new variable like this: x, y, w, h equals to d left I, d top I, d width I, d height I. Now printing coordinates to the console. Print x, y, w, h. Now we'll create the bounding box to the text. cv2 dot rectangle img1 x, y, x plus w, y plus h, and here's the color of bounding box, which will be green 0, 2, 55, 0, 2. Now we'll show the images once it is completed with bounding boxes. For that, cv2 dot imshow res img1. Now save image, that image with text detected on it. cv2 dot imwrite img plus str page count plus dot jpg img1. cv2 wait key, cv2 dot wait key 5000. This means displayed image will be last for 5 seconds. Now I'm gonna run it. Okay, we've got an error, which is y is not defined. Okay, so it's in caps, that's why we've got an error. Now I'm replacing it with lowercase y. Save it. Now rerun it again. Okay, we've got another error. Let's see. Okay, I used only CV, forgot to add 2, adding 2 to the CV. Now rerun it again, and we have all logs on console, and yep, we've got the image with the text detection. Now I'm gonna close this file and let's see the text files first. Okay, so we have both text files. Now checking the text images and let's see we have the text detected images or not. And there it is, we've got it. So if you find this video useful, please like the video and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.